Dylan's phone, right? Or do I have to email them still because of his service?
You can send them as well as you both have 3G. So you have, if you have 3G, you can send it to him as an iMessage.
Is he texting you back?
Yeah.
What'd he say?
He said, what are you doing?
Tell him we're headed back. You want me to type it for you?
No.
You can type okay?
No.
Well, you want me to type it for you then?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to do iMessage, Jenna. I can't just do regular message.
That's what it is. When it shows up blue,
Yes.
that's an iMessage. And that's when both of you have either 3G or wireless or Wi-Fi.
Because I thought that he told me I could not send him pictures.
You can't, yeah, you can.
Okay.